people out there, it's me again. So today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. Okay, we're going to be doing an unboxing of something special. So I'm super excited, super geeked to do this with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get it. So I'm going to try to do this real quick. And sorry I'm whispering because Tristan is sleeping, so I'm going to try to hurry up. So let's get started. So yes, you guys, I'm super excited about this. Oh my gosh. So let me give y'all a little backstory, okay? So if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. All right, so I've been vlogging for a while now, and I swear I've been through like every single camera because it's not that I haven't been satisfied, it's just I've been, I guess, testing the waters when it comes to vlogging and stuff like that. So I started out with a small Samsung point and shoot camera. Well, I actually started when I first started vlogging. I was using my DSLR, but that thing was too heavy. It was a Nikon D3200, but it was too heavy for me to like vlog and walk around. So from that point on, I got a small Samsung. It was like a little point and shoot camera, and it had a little screen on the front, so I was able to see what I'm looking at, or I could see my face, make sure I have eye boogers or real boogers, you know, a crust on my mouth. I was able to see my face, and I could see, you know, things behind me or whatever. So I didn't like the quality of it, so I gave that to my mom, and then I got a Sony NEX3N, and I loved that camera. Like, the quality was good, it was very affordable. I was like, ooh, okay, I like this. So I think the following year they came out with the Alpha series with Sony, so I got the A5000, and I loved that camera. I think that was the camera I used the longest because I just loved it. Like, it was amazing, it was very portable, it didn't take up a lot of space. Loved it, hands down. So I had that or whatever, but then I noticed that a lot of vloggers were using like a specific camera, and I was like, okay, I like, you know, what everybody's using is like that. And it was the Canon G7x. So some people were using the G7x, some people were using the G7x Mark II, because the Mark II came out after the G7x. So over time I was just like, okay, well, my quality looks good, but that quality looks really good. So I was like, okay, well, I like that, so let me try and see what I can do. So from 5000 I went to the G7x because I like I said, I've been through so many cameras, I can't remember. So yeah, so I got the G7x Mark II, and I loved it. Like, I really loved it. It was good because I'm a Canon girl. My DSLR is a Canon, and I love the qualities on Canon cameras, so I figured on a vlogging camera it was going to be good as well. But with the type of quality that I want for my vlogs, I wasn't feeling it with the Canon. I know my vlogs are not like, you know, cinematic or, you know, professional production like some vloggers are when it comes to cinematography, but I'm very particular about how I like my quality. People are always asking me what's the best vlogging camera, stuff like that, which I'll talk more about later. But if you are starting out and you have the funds, because this G7X Mark II is not cheap, it's still $649 or whatever. So if you do have the funds and you really want to get into vlogging, that's the camera to go, because that's what all the vloggers, your favorite vloggers, are more than likely using. So it's really good for vlogging. But like I said, I'm just big on how I want my vlogs to look, so hands down Sony is the best. So I did want the A6000, but I didn't like the way the screen was because I gotta see what I'm looking at. I gotta make sure my face looks good on camera. So the 6000, 6300, 6500, and the A7S and R series, which is what I really wanted, but I'm cool, I'm good because I don't have the funds for it right now. But the screen stops right here, and I was like, bruh, like, how you gonna have a screen that stops right there? And I know everybody's not into the flip screen, it's like that, but for those who are like me, I was like, bro, you gotta, come on now, Sony, what's going on? So then they must have had a lot of complaints because they must have heard our prayer, because y'all, they finally came out with the 6400, and it has that screen. So I'm super excited. I didn't mean to give y'all that long intro, but I just had to tell y'all that because I've been through a lot of cameras. So I just pray and hope that this is my baby for life, because it's everything. But so from all the videos that I've watched and I've seen about this camera, I think this is my life. This is forever. So let's open it. yeah. Like, I've never been so excited. I feel like it's Christmas in the springtime. All right, so woo, she's open now. All right, so here is the manual. Here, warranty. So it has all the lenses and accessories that you can get with this. So it says Sony A6400. So it comes with your strap, 2 batteries. Comes with 2 batteries and a hook, and then the charger for computer. So I do have the old charger for the Sony, so yeah, I'm gonna use that. I can just connect it or whatever. But here she is. Ooh. Oh my gosh, y'all, like, oh my god, this is everything. Okay, so the screen does come up. Hold on. Make sure I'm doing this right. Hey, look at that. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me stop acting up because I'm just too geek, y'all. Like, the quality on Sony's are amazing. Like, even with the 6300, because I've seen some cinematography done on the 6300, and y'all, it is amazing. So I'm so geeked, y'all. Like, y'all just don't understand. So like I was saying, with the other cameras, it will stop right here. Like this, it wouldn't flip all the way up. It will stop here. And I don't know, with, and you know, the A7S or the A7R2s, they're really, really, really good. Like, really good quality pictures, you know, videos and all. But I can't vlog and not see what I'm looking at. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. So push it out. Oh, oh, wait. See, it's gonna take me some getting used to. Okay. So out. Okay. Bow. So. Hey there, beautiful people out there. It's me again. I've always been into like videos, movies, and stuff like that, but I never thought I would be obsessed with like technology type of stuff, like cameras, computers, and stuff like that. So I'm super geeked, y'all. And I mean, I've seen pictures being taken on this, and it looks so good. So let me go ahead and throw a battery in here. Come over here. Oh, yeah, sorry, it didn't come with 2 batteries. This is the charger, so this is a plug, and you plug it here. So it comes with 1 battery. So I'm sorry, it comes with 1 battery. So let's see, let's put her in there. It may need to be charged. So if I can't charge it right now, then I'll let it charge, and then I can do an update video for you guys. Yeah, she's gonna need some charging because see, she's not coming on, and the battery's in there. So, but it's so light. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I do plan on getting a microphone. I just want to find an affordable one to put on the top, because I know sometimes in my vlogs, like when the big guy's talking, it's hard to hear him because he has such a soft voice and he doesn't yell. So I want to make sure that, you know, both of our voices can be heard on our vlogs and stuff like that. So I do want to get a microphone for this because I have the piece right here. So I'm just so excited, y'all. So I'm gonna have to sit down and learn this because this is gonna take some time. I just want to showcase my life in a better and high quality way, you know, showcasing my life as a mom, wife, you know, entrepreneur and stuff like that. And I wanted to do it through a way that's realistic and that's authentic. So I've just been like planning ways to execute it in a way that I've seen in my head. And what I'm learning through the YouTube journey is just learning what works for you, doing what works for you, and just being yourself. And that's what has been helping me to stay positive and to continue on in this journey. And like I said, I just want to execute it in a way that's realistic, that's authentic, and that's good quality. So I'm super excited to try this camera. After I figure out how to use it and set it and all of that, then I'll start my vlogs on it. So I cannot wait, you guys. So if you guys would like for me to do an update video or do a video talking about like what's the best cameras to use for you know, beginning vloggers. It's like that because I get questions like that all the time, like what's the best camera, or what camera should I use, what's affordable. Then let me know so I can do a video for you guys, because like I said, I've been through like every camera, so I can tell you, well, not every camera, but I've been through a lot of cameras, so I can tell you what has worked for me and what I feel is affordable, and you know, what's useful for beginning vloggers. If you like that video, let me know down below. So if you're a Sony person or a Canon person, let me know down below as well so we can chit chat, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.